Okay, sticking with our same problem, the Life Health Survey, mean of 120, standard deviation of 10. Now our question is going to be what percentage of the scores, sorry, left out a word there, what percentage of scores are between 112 and 124? Again, we're going to draw out our little distribution. Always, always do this. It will help you so much. We know that mu equals 120 is here. Happens to be also the z of 0. Now we're being asked what percentage of scores fall between the scores of 112 and 124. Okay, well 112 is below 120, so I know that mark is going to be down here somewhere. I know that 124 is above 120, so that mark is going to be here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for this whole area. Okay, so then of course we can get down to calculating some information here. Couple of z-scores we need to get to. 112 minus 120 divided by 10, and 124 minus 120 divided by 10. Okay. So this is going to equal to 112 minus 120 is going to be a negative 8 divided by 10. Now, notice how that should make sense. This 112 is below the mean. It's below z-score 0. We should be expecting a negative number down here. Divide that, of course, is negative 0.80. 124 above the mean. We're going to get 4 divided by 10, which means we're going to get 0.40, and it, of course, is a positive number. Pull out our z-table again. We're going to find a proportion. The mean is somewhere in the middle. We're going to look in the mean to z column for this, all right? So look, we got 0.40, mean to z right here on top. We've got a proportion of 0.1554. Again, if you can't see this, pull out your own z-table. That's going to be 0.1554. That's this distance right here from this score to z, because it's the 124 score. There's 0.1554 proportion in there. So we also needed a z-score of 0.8. It's on the top of the next page. 0.8. Mean to z, 0.2881. Okay, we have these two values. If 0.1554 is here from that score to z, and 0.2881 is here from the score of 112 sorry, not to the z, to the mean, then to get the percentage that falls between those two, all we have to do is add them together. So try to do a quick adding here. It would be good since I don't have my calculator right here. Let's see if that's correct. Looking good to me. Again, what's the question asking for? It's asking for percentage. So 44.35% of the people in the population, when taking the Life Health Survey, fall between a score of 112 and 124. All right, does that one work for you? I hope so. Any questions, just ask us on the discussion board.